Do you need a good stretch for your inner thigh muscles and you want to look like a superhero doing it? Well, I got a good one to help you stretch out the inner thigh muscles that I call the superhero landing stretch. So what we're going to do, we're going to get into a wide position. You're going to have your toes slightly turned out, and then if you want to stretch out one side, you bring your body towards the other side. Drop down. You could rest your forearm on your thigh if it's a little intense for you to take off that intensity, but make sure you can feel that stretch on the inner thigh. Once you have that, you hold for about 30 seconds, get a good stretch. If you're stretching, you should be able to go a little deeper over time. Then when you're done, you want to do the other side, shift your pelvis off to the other side. Make sure that foot is nice and flat. Feel it on the inner thigh. Hold for 30 seconds. Get that nice stretch. Then when you're done, you can either do a different stretch or go off and be a superhero.